We want to make sure the shoulder belt, there's always going to be some type of shoulder belt positioner on the backrest when you're doing a high back booster. So this will slide through here into that red guide, and this will go over the armrest. Then we'll put kiddo in. She's kind of small for this. We usually want her to be a little bit taller probably. And then this is going to go around. We always want to make sure that lap belt is under the armrest. And then both are going to go under the armrest on this side. And then we're going to buckle it in. Then we want to make sure that the seat that we have for them actually hits them at the thighs or the hips down here on the lap belt, and that the shoulder belt is right on the shoulder, doesn't come forward, doesn't come up too high. The other thing that we see a lot of is that parents will let kids buckle in, which is perfectly okay. It's a good thing to start teaching them, but they'll buckle in like this. And all that does is it pulls that shoulder belt up, and it's not gonna sit on them correctly. So we wanna make sure it goes under, both go under that armrest on that side. The same holds true for most booster seats on the market. Some of them have smaller armrests that are only down here. Both still need to go through on that buckle side.